Well, guys, we are en route now, heading to Tuttle Creek. We've got one buddy behind me in his Grand Cherokee, and then the other one left a little bit in front of us. So we got about 2 hours of a drive, and then we will be there, get the Jeeps ready, and hopefully have a not muddy and uneventful day on the trail. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Well, guys, we made it here. We're gonna get the sway bars disconnected, tires aired down, and then get on the trail. And it's super, super cold out here compared to back home in Wichita. So we'll hit the trail in just a second. So guys, last time I was here, we basically went straight kind of out towards the lake here, and I almost immediately ended up with the front end buried. Looked pretty much like this, and this was within 30 minutes of pulling into this place. So it was partially frozen in the morning, and then as the day was going on, it was just unfreezing, which is really kind of what it looks like we've got here, with a lot of frozen water. And so hopefully we don't have a repeat of last time, but this is pretty much where the bad things happened last time.
Want to try it?
Oh yeah, it looks just fine, you know. The ground is frozen solid. I thought I'd be throwing some mud turning around that thing, but it was just an ice skating rink.
Yeah, you didn't really.
Yeah, the ground is just completely rock solid. Yeah, this whole thing is just solid, not mud. But we'll find when it gets mud, when my front end sinks down, I guess. Yeah, I'm assuming later today, once the temperature gets anywhere above anything and the sun comes out, we will not be able to drive over here. Oh gosh, where the sun is, it's muddy. Currently in two-wheel drive right now. Oh. Two-wheel drive little donuts here, the only time it has enough power to actually do anything. So yeah, as you can tell, we're talking about how smoky the 4.7 liter V8 Jeeps are. The Jeep currently,
The definition of eco-friendly, baby.
the Jeep in front of me right now is a 4 liter, and of course,
We have a 4 liter.
it's not smoking. So that these 4.7s get higher mileage, and the valve stem seals just go. They leak and need stuff taken apart. Pull the head or replace valve stem seals. So that's unfortunate, but kind of a thing you got to deal with them. All right, heading down this little kind of stair-steppy thing. Keep momentum. You know, it's not, you don't need big, huge, massive tires. You just got to keep momentum up some of these smaller little ledges that kind of are just back to back. Momentum. All right, we gotta back up, get a little bit more momentum on this thing. Okay, maybe. Let's see. Alright, we got up what I believe is Eagle's Nest Trail, and now we're going to try to head down. Jeep Flip is the name of the trail. I believe it's a blue, but it looks super loose the whole way down. So we'll be on the brakes a lot. Sending Cheap Jeep down before the others for reasons. Less slipping than I thought we were going to have. A little bit there at the top, but as long as you trust your brake system, because you've got 2 feet mashed on. So we're now walking back up that hill, and of course on video it looks like a gravel road compared to the angle that it actually is. But that's why off-roading is so incredibly hard to actually get on film, because nothing looks as steep as it actually is. Because I can't even hardly walk up this thing. And yeah, like I said, this looks like a gravel road compared to what it is in real life. If I hold the camera pretty steady, you can see the trees are straight and the ground is very angled. Now, Cheap Jeep did take on some lovely rocker damage today, so that's a new high clearance feature, I guess you could say.
Oh.
Turning a little to the driver because it was kind of slipping down, I believe. Well, that was uneventful.
I had a.
Frog, yep. That's exactly your line, and the tire flexed just like that. And you kept it straight because your one tire.
I wanted my wheels up on them 2 rocks.
Yeah. Because your tire stay straight. Because your tire went just like that, and then I think you cranked it pretty decently here, right? I'm pretty sure that's how it went.
And then you straighten
Yeah. Okay, straight. Now what? You'll have to roll forward. Once you roll forward, it'll turn.
Keep a different line than us.
All right, now turn to the driver.
If I'm being honest, this is the one I was trying.
Oh, that crawled right up.
That was definitely.
Yeah, that other noise is not a rug.
Well guys, we didn't break anything other than figuring out that Jesse's T-case chain is done for and he needs to swap to that transfer case that he already wanted anyway. So we are going to head out. We got the Jeep sway bars back on, tires aired up. So we will catch you guys next time, and thanks for watching.